Namaste. How are you? We hope you all are doing well.
Yes, and now after witnessing today's wonderful program, we all will sail in the boats of happiness, courage, patriotism and much more. What? Really? But before we proceed further, I have one more question. Nowadays, everybody shakes hands or hugs each other whenever they meet their friends. But here, my dear friend Srushti has greeted Namaste. I am shocked.
My dear friend, Namaste simply means that I bow to the divine in you.
This is a respectful way of saying hello, goodbye and thank you has taken a huge uptake around the world during coronavirus outbreak as an alternative to hugs and handshakes.
Another popular saying is Atithi Devo Bhava. It means that the guest is equivalent to God. In our culture, the guests have always been given supreme importance. And also, a joint family here is where the entire family all live together, which can include parents, wife, children and occasional relatives. But nowadays, economic development and urbanization have led to an increase in nuclear-like families rather than joint families.
By now, everyone might have guessed that we are speaking about our own country. And when we speak about our own country, we remember the story of our freedom struggle. Hey guys, did you know that India is not just a country, but it's the cradle of civilization? I mean, Lord Ram was born here.
Certainly, continuing with epics, the tales of Krishna and Arjun, upholder of Mahabharata, unfolded on this very land. It's truly captivating.
True, and you cannot forget about Ayurveda. It is originated right here in India. Our ancestors were like, let's heal with nature.
Absolutely. India's cultural history was just mind-blowing. But you know, I have been hearing a lot about migration lately. People leaving for better opportunities. It's a thing. But you know, instead of living, we should focus on making India the best place on the earth.
Totally agreed. We have got so much talent here. If we stay and contribute, we can really develop our country.
And it's not just about us, but it's also about the future generations. They deserve to live in a developed and thriving India.
But what about the challenges? Like, how can we address them?
We can start by appreciating what we have and working towards solving problems. India has an immense potential. We just need to tap into it.
Plus, the diversity here is incredible. Imagine the innovation that can come from bringing all these different perspectives together. So, let's be the change we want to see. Stay here, contribute and make India the best version of itself.
And we all should not forget that as a nation and as a country, culture is an important part of our upbringing and who we are today. Our country's culture is something we will be buried with when we die, and we will have to live with it for the rest of our lives.
We Indians also have long and illustrious history of dance and music.
And our students have been working extremely hard for the past 2 months on the preparation. They want to make sure that every move is flawless and every dance performance gets a standing ovation from our audience.
Our ancient scholar Bharat Muni may not have imagined that the rasa and gava of his writings would last for millennia when he wrote the Natya Shastra. Our first performance is just a small step towards carrying on legacy. Please welcome the students of Standard 8 who have come up with a beautiful opening performance. They are here to steal your heart. So, hold your breath and welcome them with a big round of applause.
नो सदासित् तदानीं नासिद्रजो नो व्योमा परो यत् किमावरीवः कुह कस्य शर्मन्नम्भः किमासीत् गहनं गभीरं सृष्टि से पहले सत नहीं था असत भी नहीं अंतरिक्ष भी नहीं आकाश भी नहीं था, छिपा था क्या, कहाँ किसने ढका था, उस पल तो अगम अतल जल भी कहाँ था।
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने, भारत ने मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई। देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहां पहले आई, सभ्यता जहां पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहां पे कला। अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया। भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले।
हिंदुस्तान 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 हिंदुस्तान, मेरा मान मेरी शान मेरी जान हिंदुस्तान। वेदों की महिमा से था गर्व ये आर्यावर्त, आर्यावर्त। सदियों की गाथा का है परिणाम ये भारत, ये भारत। रामचरित्र की सीख यहाँ, जन्मभूमि का ये मूल है। कृष्ण अर्जुन के साहस का, धर्म युद्ध का ये धूल है। देवों का वसपवन इतिहास है, देश नहीं भारत है एक एहसास। हिंदुस्तान की कहानी सुनो, मिट्टी की ये जुबानें सुनो। हिंदुस्तान 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 हिंदुस्तान, मेरा मान मेरी शान मेरी जान हिंदुस्तान। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहेंगे हम, सब ही तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
कश्मीर से मद्रास तक कह दो सभी हम एक हैं, आवाज दो हम
चले आओ चले खोज का ये सफर करें, साथ चले आओ चले खोज का ये सफर करें, गुजरे हुए जमाने को हम जिंदा करें, हम जिंदा करें, साथ चले आओ चले खोज का ये सफर करें, साथ चले आओ चले खोज का ये सफर करें।
लंबा है ये रास्ता, मुश्किल है ये रास्ता, अजनबी है ये रास्ता, अनजान है ये रास्ता।
रहस्य और रोमांच का एहसास है नया,
हर एहसास पर हम रुके, साथ चले आओ चले खोज का ये सफर करें, साथ चले आओ चले खोज का ये सफर करें।